Hello students, how all are you well? I think you all are so well due to blessing of your parents and elders. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 1.1 from NCERT class 9. Student, if you have visited here first time, then please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon. Okay, first question we have, what we have is 0 a rational number? Can you write in the form p by q where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0? Students, I have already told you that about what is rational number. Rational number, the number which can be written in the form of p by q. ठीक है, ओके। ऐसा नंबर जिसको आप p by q के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हो वो नंबर को हम लोग रेशनल नंबर कहते हैं। ठीक है, जैसे एग्जांपल के लिए इज 0 अ रेशनल नंबर, तो यस 0, yes 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Actually I have already one video uploaded about related to rational number chapter. You can clearly watch. Okay, yes 0 is a rational number because it can be written as 0 by 1. ओके, हमने यहाँ पर डिस्कशन भी कर दिया कि 0 क्या है, एक रेशनल नंबर है, और क्यों इसका रीज़न, क्योंकि इसको आप बाय के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं। आपको एक चीज़ बता दी, रेशनल नंबर ऐसे नंबर जिसको आप p बाई क्यू के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, और ऊपर वाला और नीचे वाला दोनों आपका इंटीजर से बिलोंग करना चाहिए, और नीचे वाला डिनोमिनेटर कैन नेवर बी इक्वल टू 0। ये चीज़ को ख्याल रखना है ना, यू मस्ट थिंक अबाउट दिस। ओके, डिनोमिनेटर शुड नॉट इक्वल टू 0। ठीक है, now the question we have, find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. Okay, let's start the solution about this question. 6 rational number I have to find between these number. You students, you must know one thing, that ki there are many rational numbers between there are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay, here we have to actually find 6 rational number. How can I find? Let's start. Because 6 rational number we have to find, we will do one thing, we will add plus 1, then we will get 7, and now we have to write here 3. We can write it 3 by 1, which is rational number, and we have to multiply this 3 by 7, this number, and also in denominator by 7, you will get 21 by 7. And the same number you have to the another number we have to use, that is 4, and we can write also 4 by 1, and we have to multiply this number by 7 and also the denominator by 7. You will get like 28 by 7. Okay, the required number which have to the required 6 rational numbers are what? 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. What we can get? 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7. How many rational numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also 27 by 7. So the required rational number, the required 6 rational numbers are this. This is our answer. Okay, question number 2 is completed. I hope you all will understand easily. Student, this is our third question from NCERT exercise 1.1. We are going to discuss about solution. First we must say one thing, there are many methods to find rational number between any two. Okay, I have already uploaded related to that topic. Okay, you can clearly watch. Here we have to find 5 rational number between these numbers. Okay, let's start. We have to we have to find 5. So we must first we have to write 5 and we have to add 1, then you will get 6. Now you can write the given number, which is 3 by 5, and you have to write. Student, don't forget there must be 3 by 5. By mistake it is written like 3 by 4. Okay, so you can clearly 3, and also in denominator you will get like 6 3 is 18. And another number we have 4 by 5, and we have to do the same thing. 4 by 5 we have to multiply by 6 by 6 in numerator and denominator both. Okay, you will get 6 4 the 24 and 6 5 the 30. The required 5 rational numbers you will get required 5 rational numbers are 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. How many rational numbers? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is our answer. The required 5 rational number we have found easily way. Okay, in easy way we have found. Okay, you can watch clearly. If you please like, share and subscribe our channel, and you must, I need support of you guys, that's why please subscribe our channel and like also. And the fourth question we have, state whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason for your answer. Every natural number is a whole number. It is right or wrong? It is true or false? Okay, student, every natural number is a whole number. It is true. Why is it true? Because natural number, all natural numbers comes in whole number. That's why we can say every natural number is a whole number. It is true. We know that natural number, the definition of natural number, all counting numbers are called natural number, and the whole number which is starting from 0. The another question we have 2, every integer is a whole number. It is false. Why? Because we know that the integers, the combination of negative of natural number, 0 and positive of natural number. That's why every integer, because a negative number is not a whole number. That's why this is false. You can write the reason yourself. Okay, every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. It is not true. It is completely false. Okay, like 2 by 5 is a rational number, we all know, but we can't say this is a whole number. Okay, I hope you all will understand easily. If you like it, then please share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Exercise 1.1 is clearly completed. Okay, please like, share and subscribe as soon as possible. Okay, thanks for watching this video.